So the success ladder is here up with another video on highest common factor, that is HCF. And today we will see how we can find HCF by listing the factors method. So let's start. So first we will see what are factors of the numbers. So factors are the numbers we can multiply together to get the another number. For example, let us take the number 6. So we get 6 by multiplying 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are considered as the factors for the number 6. So here the factors are 2 and 3. And we say 6 as a multiple of 2 and 3. So with this also we have got an idea about factors also and multiples also. So factors are the numbers we just get by multiplying the two numbers. Like here this and this are factors, 2 and 3 are factors, and 6 we call it as multiple. So today we will see how we can find factors using listing down the factors. We will be going to find the highest common factor with that. So let us begin. We are going to find HCF today by listing down the factors method. So although if you have any doubt in this, so you can go and check my previous videos. I have already explained that how you can find factors using prime factorization method and what are factors. So I'll put an I button, you can go and check. So let's start. So first of all, take two numbers as 6 and 8. So first we are going to list down the factors for the number 6. So factors of 6 means, in short we can say that the numbers in which the multiplication table in which the number 6 comes. So we will see that in which tables the number 6 comes, and we will be starting from the smallest one. So let's start. So first is 1, because 1 is factor of all the numbers, because every number comes in the table of 1. So 1 will be writing in the beginning. Then 2, because in the table of 2 also 6 comes. So 2 is also factor of 6. The next number would be 3. 3 is also a factor of 6, because in the table of 3 6 comes. Then 6. So here we have listed down all the factors for the number 6. Now similarly we will be listing down factors for the number 8. So factors of 8 are 1, as 1 is the common multiple, as 1 is the factor for all the numbers. Now 2, because in the table of 2 8 comes. Then 4 and 8. So these are the factors for the number 6 and 8. Now we are going to circle the common factors. Common factors means the factors that are same in both. So we are going to circle it. So first common factor is 1. The next common factor is 2. So here we have two common factors for the number 6 and 8, and we have to find the HCF. So HCF means the highest common factor. Yes. So here we have two common factors. One is 1 and another one is 2. So out of these two, which one is the highest? So as we can see, the 2 is the highest number. So here the highest common factor for these are 2. So here the HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. So just like this, before we have done least common multiples by listing down the multiples, and this also we just follow the same, but in that we just list down the multiples, and in this we just list down the factors. So you can also see that video in which I have uploaded, in which we have find the LCM for the numbers. Now coming back to the another question. Let us take now 12 and 18. So we will be finding the highest common factors for the number 12 and 18. So similarly, like we did the last question, we will be going to do this. So here we are going to list down the factors for the number 12. So let's see in which table number 12 comes. So first is 1, because in the table of 1 12 comes. Then 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these all are the factors of 12 because in all these tables number 12 comes. Now let's take for the number 18. Now list down the factors for the number 18. So let's see in which table 18 comes. So starting from the smallest, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So till here we have listed down the factors for both the numbers 12 and 18. Now the next step is to circle the common multiples. Now let's see what are common multiples. So the first common multiple is 1, 2 because it is coming in both, 3 and 6. So here we have 4 common factors for the number 12 and 18. So here we need to find the highest common factor. As the name only suggests, highest common factor means the common factor that is the highest out of this. So 1, 2, 3 and 6, the highest common factor is 6. So here we have got our HCF. The HCF of 12 and 18 is 6 because this is the highest common factor out of these all. So till here we have done with 2 digits, like how we can find the highest common factor of 2 digits using listing down the factors. Now let us see how we can find it for the 3 digits. So this is the third one. So let us take 9, 15 and 21. So let us find HCF of 3 digits 9, 15 and 21 using listing the factors method. So for that, first we need to list down the factors of all the 3 numbers. So first let us see the factors of 9. So like I shared you before that factors of 9 are, we always start from the smallest one and we will see that in which table number 9 comes. So in the table of 1, then 3 and 9. Only in these 3 tables number 9 comes. So these 3 are the factors for the number 9. Now let us check 15. We will be taking all the 3 numbers one by one. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Because in these 4 tables number 15 comes. Now similarly for the number 21. So for 21 the factors are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now till here we have listed the factors of all the 3 numbers. Now let us find the highest common factor for these 3 numbers. So for that first we need to find the common factors. So as we can see that this one is coming in all the 3. This is the common factor for all 3 numbers. And similarly this 3 also. This is also a common factor for all 3 numbers. And out of these 2, which one is the highest one? Highest common factor. The highest common factor is 3 here. So we have got our HCF. HCF of 9, 12 and 21. The HCF is 3. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.